Going around, bro. Going around. No, I don't know what the fuck is happening. So, aerolineas argentinas not retracting the landing gears. Now he is coming back. Nah. Wow, he just turned that off. Okay, it seems like there's aerolineas argentinas. He is gonna return back to the airport. I just recorded him not retracting the landing gear, because I have the footage of it not retracting the landing gear, but it is not good, the footage. But at least we have a little evidence that he is coming back of Miami. I don't know why he is doing that circles, but I think so. He is coming back. Look at the speed, 213 kilometers. That means that he doesn't have the gear still yet. He doesn't have it. He is returning back to the airport with the gears opened. Now we're gonna see what is gonna happen, because I'm not leaving this like this. What I think is that Aerolineas Argentinas is gonna return back to the airport. Well, they're now both over there, like with Avianca Air Cargo, but Avianca Air Cargo not retracted the landing gear and keep going. But that was on the final thing. And I saw this helicopter. Well, not right now, but I saw that Aerolineas Argentinas just did a circle right now, and he might get an emergency landing, pan or Mayday. Not that big deal, but I think so. He is circling a lot. Like, I think so. They need to return back. And that one is that I recorded that it was a A16016, and there was a ARG 1303. This one is that one that is gonna do the emergency landing. Is registration is LVKAO ARJ 1303 Airbus A330-200 at 2. He's a 50,000 feet. Miami to Buenos Aires. He has 15 minutes and 8 minutes. And it's coming a beautiful Avianca, howling so much. And there we have the Avianca passing over. He passed over there. So now I don't know what he is gonna do. If he is gonna do another circle, I'm gonna freak out. Okay, he just did a normal circle. That's not that big deal, but I think so. He is gonna land on Buenos Aires, bro. 231, bro. He just wanted to not retract the landing gear, and then retract the landing gear. What a Sigma. Are you serious right now, bro? There's no actually way that this guy is not gonna retract the landing gear while it do a circus. Okay, bro, what the fuck is happening? Bro, what the fuck is damn happening, bro? It's going around Embraer 170. Bro, what the Sigma is happening right now, bro? What the Sigma? I'm not seeing it, but it's too far to me. I don't know what happened with that circle, but like, I think so. I think so. It's something bad, super bad. Maybe they're gonna land off emergency, or when on Aerolíneas Argentinas is landing off emergency landing, I think. No, there's no fucking goddamn way. He's again doing the circle. I'm keeping track of them because look, he is going 2 times off the circle, and I think so he is gonna come again. No way he's gonna land over there. This is the second time I see the circle, so I think so he's gonna land of emergency. Cause like airplanes are dispatching over here. Cause like look, they're dispatching cause they want this one to land over there. Cause like look, he do a double circle, and now it's gonna be a triple, not a, and now it's gonna be a quadruple. I don't know, but I think so. It's gonna be a quadruple or triple or double or quintuple. So, for I don't know if okay, he's gonna return back safety, because it's not normal to see aerolíneas argentinas come. Okay, he taxied. That is normal. He takes off. Good. But wait a second. He's not retracting his landing gears, and I recorded at the final moment that my camera is bad. He passed over mine. I put my phone. I grabbed it from my car. I mean my stepmom's car. Then he went like this, and look at that. Look at that zigzag. Yo, 215, still retracting the landing gears. What the fuck? Well, he first circle, right? Second circle, and now where is it? It's coming right back. I don't know what the heck is happening. I'm gonna see if in case something is bad happening over there, or is the word weather, because trust me, this is not too good. It's not that good. Cause if it's gonna do double, how can I tell you, double or double circle and like a little thingy, here is not normal. He needs to land immediately back, receiving maybe a mayday. But well, that's what I think. I don't know what you guys think, but why they even wanted to go around first of all, or wait a second, they did go. Oh, that was the Embraer. Okay. Oh, that was a Max 8. Yeah, I forgot. Sorry. Okay, so now I think he's coming back. I don't see him that much because he is that high. But if I see him, I need to warn you guys. If I see him. If I see him by the distance, and it's not retracting his landing gears, how it passed before. And I couldn't not believe. And I run as a Sonic to get my phone. And now he's turning back again. No way. There is no way that actual way that is dude doing it. You know, there's no actual way. Okay, guys, now it's heading back again. Okay, so now he did a triple target now. Now I think he is gonna keep going. Look, is scheduled to land in 8 hours and 3 minutes. That means that he's gonna land on uh, 3 o'clock, maybe, or the hour changes. I don't know if the hour changes or whatever. But if the hour changes, well, let's keep talking about that. So now he is gonna keep going, I think. Okay. Here you have all the information, guys, so you can indicate. Okay, first, registration, address, the bit address, EOBCO4F. If you want to write it, you can write it, guys. I'll wait for you. Okay, he doesn't have a squawk. I don't have it unlocked. So, registration, LVKIAO. Okay? You can pause the video. That's a Airbus A380, 30, sorry, not a 81. You know, I'm moving because if in case something is gonna happen, but okay. Now, like, he is acting that he is gonna go back to the. No, he is acting that he is going to. You again doing that circle? No, there's no fucking goddamn way that this guy is going to do triple circles, bro. Oh my god, bro. So we have an emergency. Oh, an emergency landing, I meant. If I see him walking, flying over there with the retracted landing gears, I'm recording that shit. Really, I'm not serious. Bro, wait. Bro, what is that dude doing a triple circle, bro? And I wish to respond me that airplane, if airplanes could talk. But they do not talk exactly. Oh, so I spotted now recently a helicopter, Cyrus Sky, 76. He take off from Jackson. I know that because he passed over me. Okay, recently that airplane, sorry, is generating an emergency landing. Sure or not, with I think so. His hydraulic system is failure, cause like if he didn't retract the landing gear and if he is doing that, the hydraulic system is going off. And I want to tell you something, that if that airplane comes back, it's a thing that I'm posting on YouTube, cause like if he is gonna do that triple circles, and I see him pass not retracting the landing gear, I think so his gear doors, I called them when I was little shift, cause like it looks like a shift, but it's not. So it's the gear doors. So the gear doors, I think so when they wanted to how can I tell you? When they wanted to open, he opened, right? But the gears didn't work, and he didn't retract it. Maybe that will be the failure of the hydraulic system. And now he might be returning back with the gear doors open on Miami, and he is flying above 5,000 feet. So we're gonna wait until he arrives, cause like I'm gonna record this for everyone so they can see how I spot the airplanes of emergency and how I see them, cause that's exactly what I do, see them and make a thing for it. Cause like, look what he did. 1, 2, triple. You're right, that is triple. and I didn't notice that he was gonna do that. I thought he was gonna retract the gears earlier, but I saw a few like Avianca, um, Avianca, yes, and Top Portugal, my favorite airline, Top Portugal, not retracting the landing gears, but he actually didn't came back, and he's coming back to, not to Miami, like I'm meaning that he's coming, like how can I tell you, he's coming like to Argentina, and then he's gonna do again the circle. I hate this when this happens, but I need to record it, sorry. Well, okay, so Los Angeles. Okay, what the heck just happened over here, first of all? Okay, Aerolineas Argentinas is now rotating. He's giving permission to all airplanes gonna go around and land again to Miami. Oh, nah. Someone is gonna go around. See. Oh, I thought, bro, what is this bug happening? I don't know what the heck would that happen for. Okay, let's keep seeing the Aerolíneas Argentinas, because he's making like triple circles, like spiral, for sure. Never saw that before. Ugh. He's in Biscayne, National Park. 5,000 feet, maybe will be like, or maybe like, something like a little close to us, but not that high. You know. Oh, now it's passing a Cessna for in Miami Beach. I mean, on Miami. Sorry. Leave a comment if someone is going to an air show. If you guys did do that, I'll explore more emergencies of everyone and be active. Yo, wait a second. This looks a little suspicious. Why is it this guy, Big Mac, Triple Mac, Quadrillion Mac, Septillion Mac, Googleplex Mac, landing over there, brother? Bro, what? Oh, a dolphin. A MH65D dolphin. Okay, let's see. Okay, everything is good right now. 230, he did it. Keep his landing gear up. What the Sigma? He's returning back. Exactly. With the hydraulic system so bad. If I see him not with the hydraulic system deployed over there, I'm gonna record that. So I can show evidence that I have some evidence that I capped over on the Aerolineas Argentinas. Plus this. It's been 17 minutes and 53 seconds that I'm exploring this aircraft, and he's doing a circle again. I don't know what is happening. What the fuck is happening right now? I thought he will departed 31 minutes ago. Are you serious right now? He's not going to the destination, bro. Exactly, he is not going to the destination. And I see some of the airplanes like Atlas Air passing over there. Okay, Italia Airlines is gonna wait. ITA. Why is not the new library? I hate the new library. Well, I love the new library, but I miss the old one. Cause the old one, I like that one. I saw that one day. The A330-200. Italia. He was so cool. It was A330-200. Oh my god, that is a quadruple circle that it is doing on 20 minutes. Almost 20 minutes, sorry. Are you serious right now? He didn't retract the landing gears? Bro, vehicles are going, I think. Vehicles are going. They are preparing the vehicle for an emergency landing. Because this is not keeping it like this. Well, now I have to explore much more. Because, like, here... Oh, wow. 50th anniversary library. Yeah. Okay, NAC, Northern Air Cargo. UPS, Avianca Cargo, Latam Air Cargo, Virgin Atlantic, American Airlines, and these guys are preparing for the emergency landing of Aerolineas Argentinas. NY215XG Ramp 1. Okay, now we're gonna explore what the heck is happening. So I can show the footage of the airport exactly not retracting the landing gears. I can show them when the minutes pass. You know, he's arriving in 7 minutes and 52 seconds. What the sigma? Look, I saw something rare. So the rarest thing, he did go like this. He came forward. That's normal. And I wanted to record, but like, wait for a second. I want to record more. Then look at this, bro. How can I expect? How can I stop the record if it's not good? It's good to show evidence for sure, and I like showing evidence. Is this one landing on the runway? No. Runway runway 8 left. Yeah, I got it right. And then another one is maybe there's one that is landing on a right. Okay, he's rotating that much. You're giving me a headache right now, bro. But it's okay. I'm still gonna record you. Pen pay. What? Okay. Oh, behind okay, FedEx. Another FedEx. Oh well. Wait for a second. Did he? Yo, what the heck was that going around for, brother? I think so. That was okay. Say tanker, something like that. Okay, coming back. Okay, you're coming back. Doing circles. Bro, stop that. I love when Piegan sometimes calls, but like if I hear it that much, I don't like it. Because my ears are blowing up. So now I'm exploring quadruple. Aerolineas Argentina. But I hate too much. Well, they're looking at me like... Wait a second, guys. Whoa! They're racing. Okay. China. Let me see. There you go. Okay. Exploring this aircraft, doing the maneuvers. Let me follow them. Live notifications. no, not again. Please don't be a quintuple, bro. Don't be a quintuple, please. No, please. Well, it's okay. Let's wait for him to land, cause like, bro, why he is keeping that velocity? Like, is he trying to retract the landing gears? And I think he did already. Yeah, he did. Okay, he did retract the landing gears. Okay, you're good now. It's just a normal thing. Okay, they need to land on the normal airport or nothing happened. No way. No way. No, it's okay, Tobo, for sure. And he's coming back. It's been like 38 minutes, and I recorded on the 25th that this aerolineas argentinas is not retracting his landing gear. Bro, someone explain me what the frick is happening. Bro, I'm serious, bro. What the frick is happening? Let's wait for Italia Airlines. What the it's not Italia Airlines, first of all. Well, Italian Airways. To come back. So now it's the quintuple. That aerolineas argentinas try to go back to the airport, but he's waiting. Just a chill guy. How fans know. Just a normal aerolineas argentinas chill guy trying to land on, but airplane needs to be clear. Okay. Guys, you need to clear that shit off the runway, cause like there's not much that time, so they can land again, or they can better land like, you know, on the Marathon Florida Keys. But I don't think so. That aircraft is gonna be equipped for landed over there, and it's gonna maybe overpass the runway, maybe. But well, he is on 212, bro. Are you serious right now? What are you doing over there, bro? Explain me. Oh shit! No way, that is red. Squawk. I need to behavior. Make a sound. Okay. Gentle notification. No. Wait a second. Okay. I don't know, but like, let me see. Alert. Okay, so I think so. This is a Squawk 7600 or hydraulic system failure. But like, everything is gonna be okay. I wish all passengers are okay. And okay. Whoa. Okay, that feels for me a little weird. Now that I'm talking over here on almost like 1 hour or like almost 30 minutes talking over here. Here's not that clear for land. Yo, what the Sigma are you doing, bro? Well, you're doing that. What the frick are you doing there, man? You're putting me nervous. Fuck. Bro, you're putting me so nervous right now. Bro, I just saw aerolineas argentinas not retracting the landing gear, and I'm so impressed that this guy is having a Squawk. I have the whole video and evidence of the footage of the aerolineas argentinas a330-200 that I spotted flying on 217 feet. Look, I saw him doing the maneuver that he almost did, like that offensive. And now he's gonna pass Avianca. Avianca. Nom nom nom. I like Avianca. Like if I was eating Avianca. Wait, is that not retracting the landing gear? No way. I'm recording that. I'm recording that if he doesn't. Guys, wait for a second. I'm gonna record. Okay. Okay, guys. Let me now keep recording and see what. Is that a quintuple, bro? You're really putting me nervous right now, bro. You're really freaking me out, bro. Exactly. You're Antofagasta? What the heck? I didn't know that there was a country like that. First of all. Man, these are gonna crash out. Oh, these are maybe. No way this guy is going that way. Oh, now finally he's returning back after 30 something of minutes of recording. Let's see. He's returning back. If I catch him, guys, I'll tell you if I catch him. I need to be like that fast for catching. If I see a passing over, I'll be so deep. I'll see what I will gonna do. I'm even gonna record it, but I'm gonna put it on YouTube so someone can see all the views that I'm seeing. Cause like this is so bad. Look, airplane is doing a quintuple. Now he's gonna go straight back. How I told you. Now it's passing another Avianca. Wait, no, that's a LATAM, I think. Well, just forget about that. And let's concentrate on the aerolineas argentinas. I don't know if this airport is so sustainable for the A332. I don't think so, but not this two, because look, it's a sustainable maybe. And this one, let me see. Oh yeah, that's a sustainable, I think. Yeah. It's just a little cutie airport. Let me see. If there's an A330, what? Wow. I'll give it a 10 out of 10. But now let's concentrate on the aerolineas argentinas. For now. Oh wow, there's a LATAM passing over. Take up power. Now he's coming back. Shit, he's coming back. Aerolineas is coming back. Aerolineas Argentina is coming back. Emergency landing. Exactly. Now let's dispatch them. Let's see if they dispatch them. Because he wanted to take off on runway 8 right. Because Aerolineas Argentinas is coming to land of emergency. And some people are wanting to go to another airport. Like this, like diverting. This guy is diverting to Miami, for sure. He's going back to Miami. Even if he refuses, I am sorry. Oh, H125, 165, 169. Sorry. 172. 2. Okay. 215. Oh, I don't see aerolineas Argentina for a second. And I see. I still see our Bahamas, but I don't see this. I don't see our Argentinas. Let me search for you. I can hear you still. Let me see. Okay. I think so. I don't see him. Fortunately. Okay. Okay, now he's gonna return back. He's gonna get on the airport and I think so some of them they're gonna take off on runway 17, yeah. I mean 12. That's the only one that I got wrong. 12. Okay. Okay, let's see. I don't still see him. I think so he is that far away. Let me see if I see him. I'm just hearing just a United. That's a United that is passing on here. I don't still see him. Nuh-uh. Well, he's going back to Miami. Damn. I just tried to wait for a second, but I realized that he was passing over and with the non-retracting landing gears, do a quintuple turn and then go back. Wow, that's crazy. I never thought this day will be like that. Let's see if I see it. If I see it, guys, I will warn you. Okay, let me see. No, not visible. No, I'm not gonna able to see him. This is just a normal airplane, but I'm hearing about the Saab 340F IBC. It's coming straight, passing me. And that's not the one that I'm searching for. Well, wow. He passed that hard, bro. No way he's actually going like that way. No way he's gonna pass over us. No, he's gonna keep going. Okay, let me see if I found you. Treat me like I need. Okay. I don't see him. Who ordered Papa John's? I don't know. Not my business. Let me show some evidence for now. Okay, now he's gonna turn. Okay. We have bad news. Okay, now he's gonna do a kite tack. Maybe he's gonna land that close to the runway, make a turn. How the 737 did. Okay, now you're lining up on the runway. That's good. Good news. Okay, now I'm okay. First of all, that was the weirdest thing I've ever saw. Third of all, I don't know what the Sigma is doing. This guy is good, but this one is going back. I've been recording you for almost 40 minutes, bro. What the fuck? Okay, now your guy's going back. Okay, where are you going? Bro, you didn't retract exactly the landing gear for like 50 minutes that I was waiting for you. Nah, that's crazy. Bro, Port of Spain. Wait, are you guys racing? Okay, he's retracting his landing gear as a perfect airline. But wait a second, why they're going at the same time? Whoa. Okay, now our aerolineas argentinas is coming back from the National Park University. I don't know, National Park, and he's gonna land of emergency. How many will go? Maybe there are some vehicles over there that they're gonna come. I don't know what the heck is this Sigma 737-400, but I think it's the OWG. Okay, your guy's dispatched. Okay. Okay. No. Okay, if you do a go around with the retract with the gears open, you're so in trouble, bro. How could I see him? How could I? Oh no, I cannot see him. Okay, he's coming straight back to Miami. Good news that we don't have to. He doesn't have to crash anymore. Well, let me see. Okay, now Aerolineas Argentinas is coming back to Miami. For me, that was the weirdest thing. Well, at least I did had a little of evidence that I recorded. Let's let the people like go around. I'm gonna go around. You see? That's what I was talking about. Yo, what the frick are you doing? Oh, hell nah, man. Well, it's not that serious. So maybe, yeah, not that serious. Oh, hell nah, man. What the? Man. Okay, Hawker's coming straight back. Straight back to Miami. Is there any problem with the passengers? Is there any problem with the passengers? It's gonna be in danger. Or the plane is gonna stop at the same time. At the runway. You know. Now I'm gonna try to follow him. He's gonna line up. And I'll track him. I had the record of tracking an airplane of emergency landing since it was not taking off. But I tracked them almost all time. You know. Okay, now he's lining up. Good boy. Nah, I'm laughing because of that. Good boy. Get out. Okay. I feel like a mix of sadder, anger, emotional, happy. Bro, I feel like I'm normal, bro. I have no option than that. Phew, now he's coming back. After recording this airplane 2 times. Whoa, not 2 times. Yeah, 2 times. The real one and the tracking one. I never saw this thing was gonna happen, first of all. Okay, so now we have the aerolineas argentinas. Maybe a Jet is coming, like China Airlines is ready for takeoff, but on runway 8 right. Okay, Delta just come. Delta 832. Wow, that's impressive. Okay, I'm gonna still record because if it stops on the runway, or it happens something bad, okay, I have footage at least, or I'll see what happens. But if he crashes or something, or emergencies land, or his gears didn't work, or his front gear didn't work, or his rear gear didn't work, I need to record that immediately, because I'm not being that serious. I'm not giving that more details, but like I want to give some footages to everyone so everyone can realize what happened. You know. No, it's not my problem if I'm not the kid that I like airplanes, and I will be on my house now that I'm now recording on my house now. Sorry, it cut just the thing because the fucking phone turned off. Okay, now he's aligning up so he can land. If I see smoke, is that he landed that bad, and he landed off emergency landing. So if you guys wanna show that details, you need to speed up the camera because it's a lot of minutes that is gonna take of that. And you're got. Wait a second. Where did that appear? What is this guy practicing go around? Well, yeah, he's a pilot trainer at least. Okay, let's concentrate on aerolineas argentinas. Raise your hand who saw my footage, because I'm gonna show it in a second. I'll edit that thing all together so I can show you guys how I record that. And I'm not leaving this like this. Okay? Okay, 1050. Okay, he's gonna stay on the runway, I think. You know. Habosh, babosh, Coca-Cola stick. Opa. Okay, 144. 146. 145. 144. Almost 44. Sorry. 145. 144. 143. 141. 144. Okay. 145. Okay. Yes. He's not going around. Okay. Okay. Now we're gonna see the footage of him landing in the. Okay, 50-0. He touched. Okay, so now we're gonna see Miami sorry, airport live. Yeah, because in that case something bad that happened. I hate this fucking goddamn ads. Okay. Okay, let me see somewhere else. Okay, let me see. Yeah, there you have it. Aerolineas Argentinas is coming on this side. Yeah, you're gonna guys see him. Yeah, he's coming back. Exactly. And they're here. He's gonna go almost. You're gonna see him. Yeah, they're going. Oh, there it is. Airbus A319. Yeah, there it is. Guys, go. Wait. I saw him not retracting. Did he has a shift? Wait for a second. He came like that to Miami. He take off like that, and he came back like that. I'll show the footage, okay? Wait a second. Wait, let me put like 50 something of minutes. Like, yeah, something like that. You're gonna see how I'm not lying. Was that Prime Air? We got Prime, boys. We got Prime. We got Prime, boys. We got Prime. Oh. Wait, how many minutes did he take off when he take off? 1 hour and 2 seconds ago, bro. 1 hour and 23 seconds. Yeah, that's good. That's good evidence. Okay, 1 hour and 24. Copa Airlines, there it is. Okay, good. No one is there. Okay, aerolineas, argentinas. Okay, there it is. I see him. It's his tail. I need to pass that on. Guys, you're gonna see that evidence right now. Yeah, you see him pushing back, right? You see him pushing back. I'm not lying. Did he disappear for a second? Let me see that came back. You see? You're gonna see. No, not that one. Sorry. Sorry. I was just singing. I was just like, so look. Okay, guys, you're gonna see. But behind that one, okay, you're gonna see. Okay, guys, you're gonna see how it's not gonna retract the landing gear. I'll put you in 4K tray. Look. Yeah, I'm gonna show you. You're gonna see that he's gonna take off on there, right? You're gonna see him how it's appearing, right? I was like, that moment fast night when I saw him, like, I was like, what the fuck is happening, bro? Yeah, you see there? Not retracting the landing gears. You see? I'll show you in another one, okay? What time? What was this? 1 hour and 6 minutes estimate for an estimate. Okay. When was this? 29. Okay. 54. Okay. I know this is a little challenging to say. How I hate you, goddamn ads, bro. How I hate you, that fucking goddamn. No one wants to hear you. Wow. Shit, bro. Okay, you're gonna see him up here. Oh, there it didn't appear. Yeah, there it didn't. Shit, it didn't appear over there. Okay, let me see on airport cam. That's a good one. That's a good one. Exactly where he take off. Where he take off. Yeah, you're gonna see where is the footage. 2 hours ago. Okay, 1 hour and 18. Ito bello, die. Okay, that's the Neo, right? I'm not gonna have that much time for I can chat with you guys, but like, it's a reality. When you tell me when you see aerolineas argentinas over there, cause some things on. Moments before that, I was like, what the hell? You know, you're gonna see when I show evidence. You know, when I show evidence, it's like, wow, what the sigma? You're gonna see. You're gonna see how what the sigma is gonna happen. No, not that. But you're gonna see how I'm gonna show you. Nah, not that one. Moments before the aerolineas argentinas is gonna not retract the landing gear. No, it's not like that. Did I just surround airlines? Or is my visibility? Visibility. Oh, sorry. Okay, let me put 1 minute. Like one. There you go. 9 minutes before the thing happens. I'm skipping it because like it's a lot of videos that I have. There's the footage that I'm gonna show you. That's the footage. That's the footage. Okay, moments before that, right? You're gonna see him. That's the airport, right? You see the tower. Communicating with the tower, saying we're prepared for takeoff. All people are watching him. Okay, let me see. Cause this phone records all. You look. You're gonna see, guys. See. You're gonna see. You look at that. It's not retracting the landing gears. You see? You guys repeat it again. Let me repeat it again for a second. Guys. Let me put it on like that. You see? I'm not lying. Look. Moments before the emergency landing. Look, guys. You see he's not retracting his landing gears. Look. That's aerolineas argentinas not retracting his landing gear, guys. You know. And now he